Business operations vary according to business type, industry, size, and so on. Operations for a brick-and-mortar store, for example, will look different from operations for your drone business. The former will need point-of-sale terminals to process purchases, while you will need UAV hardware, software, and certified pilots to provide commercial drone services and deliverables. Operations for most businesses take into account four primary elements: process, staffing, location, and equipment or technology. Process is important because of its impact on productivity and efficiency. Processes done manually that can be done quicker with software, or that duplicate work done by other departments, can cost a business time and money. Business processes should be documented by department so that operation managers can study them to find areas for improvement, consolidation, or cost savings. Documentation also helps companies train new employees. As you start your drone business, take some time to note processes you establish so they can be shared with employees or subcontractors. Some processes you will most likely want to document include fleet management, pilot training, project management, and post-processing customer deliverables. Staffing is determined by the processes and helps a business owner determine who needs to do the work outlined in the processes and how many of them are needed. A small business might need a few people who are generalists, while a large company will need many more people who are specialists. Starting out, you may only need one or two individuals besides yourself to operate your drone business efficiently. As you grow, your staff requirements will increase, which needs to be managed to help ensure success. Here are some of the primary positions you will need to consider for staffing your drone business: pilots, admin and accounting support, sales and business development, and operations. We recommend subcontracting as much work as possible in the early days, then consider hiring employees as needed as your business and revenue grows. Location is more important to certain types of businesses than to others, and the reason for the location will vary. A solo consultant might only need room for a desk at home, a pet groomer will need a location with parking, and a software developer will need to be located in a region with access to appropriate talent. Most small drone businesses can be operated out of a home office, as many meetings are held in the field or at client locations. However, as you grow, a commercial office space may help increase your visibility within the community and provide a professional space to meet with customers. In terms of equipment or technology, running a drone business has specific technology needs, which are changing and improving on a daily basis. Here are some of the primary pieces of equipment and technology you will need to consider, which is covered in detail in our equipment chapter. A primary UAV, as well as a backup UAV. Extra batteries, we recommend a minimum of 4 to 6. A viewing device such as an Apple iPad or DJI Crystal Sky. USB cables to connect your viewing device to your controller. Memory cards, we recommend a minimum of 32 gigabytes. A professional UAV carry case, and a laptop or desktop computer.
If you want to take the next step, visit our website at yourdronebusiness.com. Our courses cover everything from how to price certain drone work to FAA regulations and specific service walkthroughs, like telecom jobs discussed in this video. We have been in your shoes, and we know what it's like to step into the uncertainty of the drone service business while drones are still new to most industries. But there's a reason Business Insider projects the drone service industry to surpass $12 billion by 2021. And if you want to get in on the ground floor, now's your chance. Visit us at yourdronebusiness.com to learn more and click subscribe to see more of our videos about agriculture, flight practices, roof inspections, and more.